Okay, y'all, so I already washed and conditioned this unit. I let it air dry. It's been sitting for a couple days, so that's why it's like this. I haven't did nothing else to it besides washed it and conditioned it and let it air dry. I cleaned the lace. This is how the lace is looking. So before I even start styling or whatever, I'ma just go ahead and spray my lace tint, so while I'm styling, this could be drying, so when I'm done we can just already throw this on. Okay, so before we even start styling, I'm just gonna mow down my wig cap with some got to be glue free spray, and this should get the job done. Just you know, spray enough for like the length of your closure. Like, you don't have to go all the way around because it's only a closure, so you know, just spray at the top, and you could spray maybe like 2 layers, 2 or 3 layers. Just all depends on you and what you like. As y'all see for the lace, I just set it right up under the fan for literally every bit of 5 minutes, and it's for the most part dry. And this is what it's looking like. So next I'm just gonna take some of my argan oil and run it through the hair. It's kind of like a heat protectant and it make your hair feel super good, so it's like a win-win. So just take some and go through the whole hair with it and brush it out though. Pretty much flat iron is pretty redundant, so I'm just gonna speed through this. I have my flat iron on 450 and I already put all the oil through there and combed it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through the flat iron process so you guys can just watch. Okay, y'all, so since we didn't get to the top, I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my hot comb so my hot comb could be getting hot. Okay, y'all, so now we all done flat ironing. She is all pressed out. Little wash condition and a little press out. Feels super good. She's looking good. But it's one more stuff that I like to do before I put on my wigs. And I know that you guys can't see it, but all in here it is. It's not a lot, but it is some flyaways. And just because I don't like that, I like to take, you can use any kind of mousse or foam and lotion, whatever you want, like any mousse or whatever. And I just take this and put some up there. And then comb it down. And it is going to dry, but it's definitely going to help to lay down. And this shouldn't take too long to dry, maybe about 10 minutes. So. And if you wanted in this time, you could be just now prepping your stocking cap if you wanted to. It's really all up to you, but I just like to do that beforehand. And take that little foam and lotion and lay it down. Make sure everything laid down. It's literally no more flyaways once I did that. Take the back piece, make sure that is laid down. Make sure everything good, and then let it dry for maybe about 10 minutes, and it's gonna be ready to go out on. Back, and we got pink hair coming from out our scalp. That's what it look like. So I'm all here for it. Scalp. Bond XL glue. So the only thing I'm gonna do right here is just I'm gonna do 2 layers of the Ghost Bond glue. Just take some dots, and then you could take a comb, tweezers, whatever you want, and just, you know, smooth it out to a nice little layer. And once this one dries clear, just go on and add your next layer on top. You can do as many layers as you want, but I know I probably wasn't gonna be wearing it that long, so I just did 2. So yeah. And this was also my first time using this glue, so I just wanted to do 2 layers just to see like the hold and how the glue pretty much worked. Take her and lay it down. Oh, that's my comb. And then you can always just take your comb and just, like, you know, get that lace, push that lace down inside of there. Yep, just push that lace right on down without trying to push all the hairs down. Kiki. And it's right there. And she is now applied. And what I'm going to do next though, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some stuff and take some alcohol and clean all around for any little excess glue that I may have missed. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna turn on my hot comb and my flat iron just to go back and hit anything that I think I might need to hit. So yeah, I didn't get a chance to come back on camera, but all I did was clean it up and added some baby hairs, as you guys can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.